National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ford County and east central Illinois, southwestern Iroquois County and east central Illinois until midnight at 11:07 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Gibson City and moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near Paxton around 11:40 p.m. Other locations in the warning include Loda. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.